A pleasure. Good evening to everyone here. I'm V. Lakshmi Iyer. So, I'm a Hindu and truly believe in Islam. I believe in Islam because I have got some proof from it. So, when you said God is one, religion is one, let me take an example of three people, a Hindu, a Muslim, and a Christian. Let me take them together, and if suppose their bodies are cut down, what oozes from their body? Only blood, and it's only blood, not the milk, not the water, it's only the blood. When you cut down, only the blood oozes. Why do we differentiate when we depart the body? The Muslims go with burying, and we Hindus, we go by lighting the fire.
The sister says that she appreciates Islam, she believes in Islam, and I congratulate you and I welcome you to the faith of Islam, submitting our will to Almighty God. The question asked by the sister is that a Hindu, Christian, and a Muslim all have got the same body, same blood, same constituent. But when we die, why in Hinduism do we burn the body? Why in Islam do we bury? Let's analyze the pros and cons, and you decide which is better. In Hinduism, also they say you can bury the children, etc. But when you become an adult, most of the sects say you have to burn, you have to cremate. There are some sects which say you have to bury. But let's analyze the pros and cons between cremation, that is burning, and burial. If we analyze, in Islam, we have to bury. Why? Because today we have come to know that whatever constituents of the body is there, the earth, the soil, contains the same basic elements of the body in lesser or greater proportion. So from earth we come and to earth we return. Scientific. Comparison, point number one. In cremation, we burn the body, there is pollution. In Islam, when we bury, the land becomes fertile. There's no pollution, there's no burning. Point number two. When you burn, you chop down the trees. Greenery goes down. Environment is being uprooted. In Islam, when we bury, land becomes fertile, more trees grow. It becomes a manure. No chopping down of the trees. Better for the environment. You know, the government says, don't chop trees. If you don't chop trees, how will you burn the human body? Point number three, it is more expensive. According to Indian statistics, every year, crores and crores and crores, hundreds and thousands of crores, every day crores of rupees are spent. Every year, hundreds of crores are being spent only on the trees and burning the body. In Islam, when we bury, it is cheap, free. Point number five, when we burn, the wood becomes charcoal, ashes. In Islam, once we bury in the land, the same land can be used after a few years. It is forever. You can recycle it. The same land, after a few years, when the bones get disintegrated, you can recycle. So logically and scientifically, if we analyze, it is more scientific, more humane, more better for burial as compared for cremation. Hope that answers the question, sister.